you can tell from me shaking maybe when I put it on, but it's so nice, so nice. So let's go ahead and get into this install. The wig is on, and I must say I did crisscross the bands in the back. It's really nice and snug. I adjusted the elastic band on the inside of the cap. It feels really, really good on my head, and the lace looks good so far. I know it's gonna melt down nicely, and I can't wait. As I said, I'm gonna be using my spray for today's install, and as I said, they do regard this to be a glueless wig. I'm about to wear it glueless. I'm just about to use my spray a little in the front across the lace. This is very short term. It's not glue. You don't have to feel pressured into going ahead and applying glue. So that's that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut away the complete like extra lace. So this is how it looks once I remove all the lace. So I can tell you that it's 28 inches long. I said it feels like 30, it looks like 30, and it does have a little weight to it because all that density, and that's how you want your longer lengths to be. You want it to be full, so naturally it will have a little bit more weight. So as I said, I'm gonna go ahead and use my spray. I'm using the Red by Kiss Styler Fixer Lace Bond Spray. Okay, get a good look at it. I'm just gonna go across my hairline with this. Okay, so I could just just keep everything in place. This hair is so silky. I absolutely love it. It's really silky and nice. I love it. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. The grow when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. I'm just going over the top. With this wig, you can get the nicest deep bust down middle part because we're working with a good 13 by 6, and I absolutely love that. So I'm just, you know, running to the top, getting it really nice and flat with my hot comb. While I let the lace kind of like just lay a little more in the front, I'm gonna just run through the entire wig with my flat iron quickly. This is just so luscious, I can tell you, and shedding is not bad. It's very minimal, So far, usually with longer lengths, you can have a little bit more shedding. But this, oh my god, you see how long it is? Yeah, that's what I'm telling you guys. Like, it's giving 30. I like companies that give you a little extra. Yeah, I know it's a 28, but it's giving 30. Yeah, it's really not. It's already so silky and nice and straight, so it's not gonna be time consuming to do this at all. But so far, it's been very convenient to install. It's been a breeze. I feel like a beginner will feel comfortable installing this wig if they decide to go ahead and get it. Again, you know, we're in a time where, you know, everybody's pretty much learning to do it themselves when it comes on to wigs, you know, just to save money. I'm here for it because they're making it so easy for you to install the wigs yourself. So why not? Why not? So I'm gonna just speed through me straightening this. You just doing, boy. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey, catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you try and tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all them questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. So this is the final look. The wig is really sleek. As I say, it's minimal shedding. I love the movement. It is really silky. So shout out to them for that. You can definitely feel the quality on this. And it's full to the tips. You know, like you have some wigs with inches and it's not necessarily thorough with the density. No, the density on this is A1. Alright, you see it goes all the way down to my hips. 28 inches. But please bear in mind, I'm 5'1". Okay, I'm tiny. Okay, so that should serve as a guide for you guys. So yeah, but this is it. This is the final look. You could go ahead, part this wherever you please. Because remember, you're working with a lot of space. 13 by 6. You could do a nice deep part, you know, do braids, half up, half downs, you name it, and be versatile with your styling. So yeah, that's it. That is it. I love it. Let me know what you guys think about it. I'm going to be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box. You see that? It's like butter. It's like butter. But yeah, so I'm going to be sure to put the direct link in my description box as well as the specifications. So please go ahead, check that out, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Bye.